Welcome to our guide on the top 3 TradingView indicators that can elevate your trading strategy. First up, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This momentum oscillator measures the speed and change of price movements. An RSI above 70 typically indicates an overbought condition, suggesting a potential price drop, while a reading below 30 suggests an oversold condition, hinting at a possible price rally. It's a go-to tool for identifying potential reversals. Next, we have the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. This versatile trend-following momentum indicator consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line, and a histogram. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal, indicating it might be time to buy. Conversely, when it crosses below, it's a bearish signal. The histogram shows the distance between the two lines, giving you a sense of the momentum strength. Finally, let's look at Bollinger Bands. This tool consists of a middle band, which is a simple moving average, and two outer bands that represent volatility. When the price touches the upper band, the asset may be overbought. When it touches the lower band, it may be oversold. The bands also widen during high volatility and contract during low volatility, helping you spot potential breakouts. By combining these three powerful indicators, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, you can gain a more comprehensive view of the market and make more informed trading decisions.